Here is another Avurudu recipe for you, that is Vibara. Sometimes you may not familiar with this food. Let's cook and see how it looks. For this Vibara recipe, we need 500 grams of white raw rice flour, 2 cups of thick coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 egg, sugar and food coloring. Initial step of making Vibara is sieving flour very well around 2 to 3 times. Then roast this flour bit under medium heat. Mix coconut milk with salt and egg. Thereafter, we need to add coconut milk little by little to flour and mix. We need to do this while warm is still there in flour. Knead the dough well until it becomes a soft ball. Now we can make nice flower patterns from this dough. After little time, this dough will be dried up. If so, add some more coconut milk and mix again. Then we can fry these Vibara. It doesn't need to fry them too long. Just fry them until they become light brown. After frying all Vibara, store them in an airtight container and keep around 5 to 6 days. After 5 to 6 days, we need to fry them again. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Put water and sugar into a pan and stir under medium heat. When sugar dissolves, add some food coloring drops. Stir this continuously until sugar syrup comes to the correct level. When the sugar syrup is ready, switch off the flame. You can check whether this has come to the correct level by taking a small amount to a spoon and dropping it like this. If it comes down like a thick line, our sugar syrup has come to the correct level. Now we need to pour sugar syrup over Vibara like this. These are the tasty Vibara we made today. Try this new recipe at home. Your family will surely love this. See you soon with a new video. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell. I wish you all of you a very happy and prosperous new year.